to the line. Secure that brace on level 3. Clear below.
This matches the coordinates for the hull plating defect.
All right, mark this area clearly for the welders.
Keep it coming up slow. Watch the rust on level 3.
Got it, steady as she goes.
Check the schematic. This line connects directly to the transducer array.
Understood.
Would you like me to proceed with batch 2, which would cover hull repair, structural welding, and propeller installation?
A little to the left. Easy now, easy. Okay, set it down.
Bring it down 5 centimeters, steady now.
5 centimeters, holding steady. Lasers aligned. Easy now, watch the starboard side. A little lower, keep it steady. It's seated, looks good. A little lower on your side. Make sure it lines up exactly with that laser guide.
Copy that. Securing it now. All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Steady as she goes. Coming down.
Looks good. Keep it tight to the rail. Bring it down slowly. Watch the port side clearance.
Steady, steady.
We're clear on this side. Keep it coming.
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Got it. Need the tape now?
Yeah, hit that seam.
There we go. Solid as a rock.
The whole place looks different now.
Okay, final push now.
Got it. It's locked in place.
Hold it right there. Now swing it slightly counterclockwise, very slow. All right, steady as she goes.
Control, we are clear for lowering sequence Delta.
Roger that. Proceeding to lower. Maintain all safety protocols.
Okay, keep going up. Need a little more clearance. All right, it's sliding in. Easy now, let it down slowly.
All right, easy now. Keep it coming slowly. Tension on the left tag line. Hold steady. Looks good. Just a few more inches. Lower it slowly. Watch the port side.
That's tight. Check the gauge.
Holding steady. The connection looks solid.
That's tight. Check the gauge.
Holding steady. The connection looks solid. All right, easy now. Keep it steady. Looks good. Looks good. Locking engaged. Hydraulics engaging smoothly.
Roller spin looks nominal at 1200 RPM. Awaiting retraction.
Taking it down 5 feet.
Roger that. Easy now. Looks good on the rails. Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it. It's heavy.
Almost secured back here.
Torque is set on Alpha 9.
Verified. All bolts secured on this section.
Final check complete.
Report the status of the combat systems installation.
Almost complete, Captain. Running final diagnostics.
Micro adjustments required. Degrees 280. Confirm green alignment.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with insertion.
Hold position, drifting slightly to the port.
Acknowledged. Correcting port.
Steady. Looks good.
Bring her down 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Steady now.
Confirm seating greens.
That hinge is solid now. Good. Only 3 more to go in this section.
Okay, easy on your side. Hold it steady while I hit this last screw.
Got it. Looks good. The crew will be happy with this. Red bag secure in bay 3.
OBA is in place. Latch engaged.
Check radio, loud and clear.
Core temperature rising, nearing activation threshold.
Acknowledged. Continue sequence.
Dive! Dive! Go!
Solution set. Tube 1 ready.
Stand by your lines. Heave. Line caught on the pier. Heave around. Bring it to the bollard.
Easy now. Bring it left just a touch.
Got it. The gap is closing evenly.
Confirmed. Seated. Hold for securing.